Hi, this is Ink and Interiors. Let's make your home look effortlessly chic. First up, stools and poufs are your secret weapons for filling awkward gaps and adding flexibility. Tuck them under the consoles or place them near coffee tables for a soft, symmetrical touch. Second up, small frames can make a big impact when grouped thoughtfully. Line art, monochromes, or abstracts in a neat grid bring balance and style to any bare wall. Pro tip, stick to consistent frame finishes black, white, or brush gold. Third one, Roman blinds. It brings softness and structure to a room. Go for light linens with subtle trims to keep it elegant. Pro tip, mount blinds higher than the window frame to draw the eye up and make ceilings feel better. And the last one, wall mouldings. They instantly elevate a space, no renovation needed. Painted the same color as the wall, they add depth and texture in a subtle way. Simple changes, stunning results. Which tip will you try first? Let me know below. For more design tricks made simple, don't forget to follow and subscribe Ink and Interiors. Thank you.